Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Hope you guys are doing well. Sorry if that looks weird. I am in the same hoodie that I was in a previous haul video that I just posted, but I'm filming this on the same day because I just need to start putting stuff away. But I wanted to share with you guys what I picked up at Hermes. I have not popped into Hermes in so long, and I kept texting my SA telling her like I need to come in. And then in February I meant to go see her, but February got very busy. And then I don't know if I told you guys this, but like earlier in the year, and I can't even remember when this is, probably like March, April, May, my grandma got in a car accident, so then I was dealing with that. Anyways, life's been pretty busy, so I have not gone in to see her because obviously it's not been a priority. So I'm trying to fix the tripod here, but I went in to see her and it was so fun. I just popped in and I had my eye on specifically this item. Now, you're looking at this box and you're probably thinking like, what the heck is that? Did you buy a necktie? This is not a necktie. It's actually a twillie. And I know twillies usually come in boxes like this, but this one specifically came in a special box because, let me show you guys. You're thinking, that looks so freaking hideous. But it doesn't actually look hideous. It is actually so freaking cute. Oh, why is the tag on this side? That's crazy. I thought the tag would be on the other side. Anyways, this is the twillie in Passepoil Cure. And it is in the Couleur et Chien. Wow, I don't know. Anyways, it's the brown color. It has all these dogs on there, and they're really freaking cute. So I got this twillie. I thought it was so freaking cute. It's been on my list for so long. Do you guys ever cut these things off? Because like, I don't think I want to cut that off, but I don't like that it's on the dog side. I wish it was on this side of the twillie. Because if I'm going to wear this, I'm going to wear it on this side. You know what I mean? Anyways, this is the first thing I got. You're probably thinking, LOLs, what the heck? So random. But yeah, it has a leather trim too, which is really cool. Like, how neat is that? It has a leather trim. That's why it comes in this special twillie box, which is neat. And then I got another little twillie, no, silk scarf. So this item I picked up. The ribbon doesn't say 2025. I was hoping it would say Hermes Paris 2025. Because I love when they have like the 2025 stuff on there. Anyways, I picked up another scarf. Oh my God, it was so light that I thought it was not packed in here. That scared the bejesus out of me. I was going to be like, do I have to show her this footage? Anyways. It's a tiny little scarf again. This is a little neck handkerchief and it has all these dachshunds on it. I just love the dog scarves, okay? Even though they don't necessarily look like Carl's, I love them. So this one has a blue and orange trim and then has these dogs on it. So freaking cute. I'm excited for this because, again, I like to just wear it like as a neck bandana or something like that. Very, very cute. So that's that thing. And then the last item I got, maybe you're thinking, oh, did you get a pair of shoes? Did you get a purse? It could be anything. And I did get a pair of shoes. This is my first pair of Hermes, I guess, like sneakers. I don't have any designer sneakers, and I don't necessarily think you need designer sneakers per se. What is this? Does it come with an extra pair of laces? Oh, it does. It has a pair of white laces, and these are quite popular, I'm pretty sure. They are, there's no name on them, but I will try to find them for you guys. This is the sneaker. I don't have any blue-ish gray sneaker, so I figured I would grab these ones. When I saw them, I thought they were really cute, and Wow, they smell so weird. They're suede, has this brownness to it. And then I really liked that the heel was actually cushioned, which is really cool. I got them in a size 38. Yeah, so these are them. I don't have anything much to say about them except for the fact that I almost bought them in white, and then I was like, girl, you have so many white shoes, so why don't you get a pair of different shoes? I like that they're really subtle. You don't really notice that they're Hermes, but there is a tie up here that says Hermes, and then they are less likely to get dirty because of course they are a blue suede with navy blue. I think this color is so nice. There was also like an off-white color that I could have purchased, but again, I just have so many like Onitsuka Tigers and regular sneakers that are those colorways, so I decided against it. I decided to go for something that's a little bit more different, and then again, I guess I could change the, what do you call it? The sneaker, the laces on this. But yeah, that is it for my haul video. I just got 3 things and I had a lot of fun. I have not been in Hermes in so long, and they actually renovated the store. They moved all these things around. I also tried a mini garden party, which was so freaking cute. And then my essay was like, you should add it to your wish list. So I was like, yeah, maybe. Anyways, I'll add it to my wish list. I'm going to send her a text about things that I actually am looking for, because I haven't updated my wish list in terms of handbags in a long time. But yeah, again, I've just been MIA. I have not gone to the store in so long, but happy to have paid her a visit because it's always so much fun shopping with her now. I'm just so glad I met an SA that I gel with so well. But I'm really excited. So that is my haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram _HelloHarley. Follow me on TikTok at HelloHarley, because I posted already that I've went to Hermes, and I posted that I tried on the mini garden party. So if you don't follow me there, then you wouldn't have seen it. But it was like maybe 2 weeks ago, and I just haven't been able to sit down and film this video for you guys. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me on those 2 social media platforms as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.